Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken stuffed hot dog buns in the oven. This is not a generic item, but I sometimes make it for my family. It's very easy and tastes good, so I wanted to share the recipe with you all too. But before we get to the recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you! First of all, you need a small to medium-sized onion. Cut it into half and then the half into half and slice it down. Cut them into a little thicker slices than usual. If the slices are too thin, then they're gonna burn in the oven very quick. Now set them aside. I'm going to quickly show you the thickness of my ones, roughly about this size. Then you need a medium-sized green bell pepper. Cut it into half and separate the seeds. Cut each half into half and then into slices of thickness as shown. Now set them aside. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper, or you may also use a glass or ceramic baking dish, in which case you won't need the parchment paper. I've placed a piece of chicken breast weighing about half a pound on one side, and on the other side the sliced onion and green bell pepper. Now season everything with fresh ground black pepper. I've used about 1 teaspoon. Followed by 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now drizzle about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Rub the spices in very well. Meanwhile, heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 218 degrees Celsius. Now, in your preheated oven of 425 degrees Fahrenheit, bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until done. If you choose to use a bigger piece of chicken, please bake them separately or take the veggies out beforehand as soon as they're done to avoid burning. We like our veggies a bit dark on the edges, as these give us a taste of cooking in the barbecue grill. I've melted about 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Now brush this melted butter over a baking pan or dish. Place 4 hot dog buns. As you can see, I should have used a bigger pan, but this will do the job. Brush melted butter all over the buns, in and out. Now I'm going to place sharp cheddar cheese singles inside the buns. I should mention a very important thing, which is when you take your chicken out of the oven, please do not turn the oven off, leave it on, as we're going to place these hot dog buns in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the cheese melts. Meanwhile, we're going to slice our cooked piece of chicken, followed by cutting them into thin cubes. Transfer them to a bowl. Add the cooked onion and green bell pepper. Toss them well and set aside. As soon as you take the buns out of the oven, fill them in with the prepared chicken filling. I'd like to emphasize the fact that if you like your veggies less done than mine, then please take the veggies out as soon as they're cooked to your liking and leave the chicken in until it is done. Also, please serve with your choice of condiments. Without any kind of sauce, it would taste a bit dry. I am personally going to drizzle some hot Sriracha sauce on top for a kick. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. Enjoy eating and take care.